I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today we are back with another wig review. Today we are getting into the Outre melted hairline Aaliyah wig. Now with this wig, it does come with your soft HD transparent lace. It does have your 5-inch deep parting space. It does come with a completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns. It does come in 9 different colors. The color that I got is the DRFF2 cherry red. And then of course, like all their wigs, you can put up to 400 degrees of heat on it. But y'all, this is what she's looking like fresh out of the pack.
Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you...
And then we're just going to get into cutting that lace off. Y'all know I have a super small forehead, so I'll just go along and follow the hairline of the wig in a zigzag motion so we can get that natural looking hairline. And then let's get into that cap construction. I just want to show y'all. So it does have a middle part, and with their melted hairline collection, you cannot change the part. So what it is what it is. It does come with your 3 standard combs, 2 in the front and 1 in the back as always. And then it comes with that wide elastic band so that the wig can be glueless. And then of course it comes with your regular adjustable straps. Now, like I tell y'all, with all their wigs are big head friendly, because I told y'all know my hair wasn't always braided, and I used to put they wigs over a puff ball. So if it could fit over that, if you have a bigger head, it'll definitely work out. And then I never show y'all, but I just want to show y'all that I put a little bit of foundation and bronzer powder on the lace just to make it look more natural and match my skin tone. Now y'all, I did not spray her down. I did not do anything. This is just her completely fresh on my head. This is what I'm saying. Like, this wig is super beginner friendly. It's glueless. You really don't have to do anything to her. But right here, I was just trying to make sure that that middle part was centered. But y'all, totally in love. But just for a little bit of added extra security, I'm going to go in with my wig spray. And I only did 2 layers this time because, like I told y'all, I really didn't need it. But yeah, 2 layers, and then I went in with that blow dryer, and then we're going to go in with that elastic band and melt her into the skin for 5 minutes. Y'all, look at that. Y'all can't tell me that she does not look like she's coming out of my scalp. This wig don't need no baby hairs. I have a love-hate relationship with baby hairs, but I feel like I don't ever need them. But yeah, look at your girl. She was feeling herself. Y'all can't tell me nothing. And then y'all know I love big hair, but with this unit, it has to be super flat. So instead of taking a hot comb, I decided to take a brush and a blow dryer and flatten the top down just a little bit. Now, like I've previously told y'all in like my last couple of videos, y'all already know when it comes to synthetic hair, and long synthetic hair at that, because I believe this hair is about 26 inches. They don't really tell you how long it is. It is going to tangle, it is going to snag. As y'all see, I'm brushing it through. Y'all can see like the brush is kind of getting stuck. That's just inevitable when it comes to synthetic wigs. So make sure y'all make a mental note of that. And then this wig did get some shedding. I will insert the clip because I want to make sure y'all saw that. Definitely some shedding. And then as I've been wearing it, I've definitely been getting more shedding as well. So like I said, just keep all of that in mind and make a mental note of that.
Another hour with you.
But y'all, this is what she's looking like. I absolutely love the color. I love the dark roots, that burgundy-ish wine color, and then you got more of like your brighter wine color, like highlights in the front of the wig that kind of frame the face. Y'all, like I said, super beginner friendly, super affordable, super easy. All you gotta do is cut the lace off, and that's pretty much it. Put a little bit of tint on it, and y'all are good to go. Your girl is feeling herself.
Do whatever we want, love whatever we want, love whatever we want.
But yeah, as always, if y'all love this video, make sure y'all give it a fat thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button to join the ALB fam, because where else would you want to be? And as always, I love y'all, and until the next video, Bye, y'all.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that, ass is still a man.